Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Are you ready to catapult your app to stardom? Amidst an ocean of 2 million apps, standing out is more than a challenge, it's an art. Your app is more than pixels and code. It's a blend of innovation, user-friendliness, and design ingenuity. So, how do you make this digital masterpiece seen and appreciated? At Expect Best, we don't just help your app keep up. We make it lead the charge. With our home tactics and strategic approach to SEO for apps, we transition your app from the abyss of obscurity to the limelight of visibility. Armed with it, you can revel in peak visibility, cultivate engaging interactions, watch downloads skyrocket, and relish in amplified profits. It's time to energize your app with our potent SEO arsenal. Leave the crowd behind, step into the spotlight, connect with Expect Best today, and let the transformation begin.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.